Aloe vera offers several benefits for hair, including improved hair cuticle health, increased hair growth, enhanced scalp hydration, and the ability to address scalp inflammation and dandruff due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies support these findings, making aloe vera a valuable ingredient in hair care routines. Today, we will talk about the various uses of aloe vera, specifically focusing on the benefits it can provide for hair. Additionally, we will discuss some methods for removing lice from hair. Once you have the gel, use it in the following ways. Overnight spray vital for hair growth. Mix half a cup of aloe vera extract with a quarter cup of ginger juice. Transfer the blend to a spray bottle. Apply on the scalp, massage for 20 minutes, and leave overnight. Ginger has hair-strengthening vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. It boosts scalp circulation, vital for hair growth. Aloe vera's proteolytic enzymes repair scalp cells, acting as a beneficial hair conditioner. Aloe vera oil for repair damaged hair. Blend aloe vera extract and add coconut oil. Heat until bubbling stops and the mixture darkens. Cool, strain the oil and apply 3 to 4 hours before shampooing or overnight. Coconut oil, combined with aloe vera, minimizes protein loss, repairs damaged hair, and imparts strength, shine, and natural silkiness, resulting in less frizzy and dry hair. Aloe Vinegar DIY Mask for dandruff. Mix half a cup of aloe gel with 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Blend and transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Apply to hair and scalp, massaging gently. This recipe is effective for a flaky, itchy scalp. Some believe apple cider serves as a natural remedy for dandruff, making it beneficial for scalp health. Aloe Leave-in Conditioner prevent from bacteria and fungi. Mix half a cup Aloe Vera Gel with 15 drops lavender essential oil. Transfer to a pump bottle. Apply on hair and scalp after washing. It helps prevent bacteria and fungi from growing. Hence, you can use aloe vera gel and lavender oil for hair growth. Castor oil and aloe vera with nourishing properties for dry hair. Mix a cup of aloe vera gel with 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Apply evenly to the scalp, covering hair strands. Cover with a shower cap and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. For damaged, dry hair, or dandruff, castor oil and aloe vera oil offer assistance. Their nourishing properties can contribute to hair health, providing moisture and addressing issues like dandruff. Aloe Vera Gel for lice. Smother and kill lice by applying aloe vera gel. Conditions hair and helps remove knit eggs. Apply, cover with a shower cap, let it dry, then rinse. Olive oil for lice. Smothers and kills lice, applied overnight. Helps loosen knits from hair shafts. Comb hair afterward for best results. Petroleum Jelly, Vaseline, for lice. Thick jelly suffocates lice by clogging breathing holes. Coat hair and scalp, cover overnight with a shower cap, wash out the next morning. Comb for knits, repeat the treatment after 1 week.